guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Christmas wall vase tutorial, and I found this wall vase at Dollar Tree. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For this DIY, you're going to need one wall vase from Dollar Tree, and it comes silver, so my son spray painted it for me. We let it have time to dry outside. You're going to need some foam, and you're going to need some Christmas floral picks. Now, you're not going to need all of the picks that I have out. I just wanted to have different choices. The poinsettia pick and the berry pick came from Walmart. Those came from Dollar Tree. I did not use those from Hobby Lobby. I just had them out for options. You're also going to need some ribbon with wire, and then I had some holly picks, some fun gingerbread and candy picks too from Hobby Lobby. First, you're going to want to cut your block of foam to fit your wall vase and hot glue it in. Now, you could use more pieces than the one to fill it in, and it's a little bit easier to work with. Next, I'm just taking some picks. I believe these came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting them into shorter pieces. Make sure that your foam has had time to dry. Then I'm just going to start with the berry picks. Place one on the left, one on the right, and I usually do a pattern when I make arrangements. One in the center, one on the left front, and I'm just cutting it shorter, kind of in the center. Now one on the right front in the center, and I had to cut it a little bit shorter. Usually what I do on the left side, I repeat on the right side, or what I do on the front, I usually do on the back when I'm making arrangements. So I am starting with the pretty greenery first, and you can kind of pull it down to cover up the vase a little bit. And I'm going to show you two options on how to do this wall vase, and you'll have to let me know which one is your favorite. But I had left mine a little too long, so I went back and cut those picks a little bit shorter to fill in. Next, I'm going in with the Dollar Tree eucalyptus picks. So you want some with different textures and different heights. So this works out to be a fun addition. So one on the left, one on the right, just pushing it into the foam. You could add a little bit of hot glue onto the end of each pick before you push it into the foam if you would like. One in the center, now one in the front center, one on the front left. And then this is the way it looks, and I did one on the front right too. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I like to do my pattern as close as I can. Now I'm cutting some pretty red poinsettia picks from Walmart, and I'm cutting 3 of them. Just cutting them nice and shorter because they were just too long. So I'm putting one in the front center, trying to make sure and push it into the foam. So one in the front center, one on the left, and one on the right. And then I'm going to fill in with some of the taller berry picks from Walmart, and then you could stop right there. I think it looks so pretty, but then I had to do it another way also. I forgot to add the string back into the wall vase before I started adding my flowers, so I would recommend, it comes with some twine, I would recommend adding your twine string back to your wall vase before you start adding the flowers. I just used some wire because it was easier, but it comes with a cute twine string that looks really fun with it, so make sure you add that before you start adding your flowers. So here's the way it looks without any of the candy or gingerbreads. So first I'm just pushing the sucker, one on the left and one on the right, and they're just red and white striped sucker picks, and I had to trim them shorter, and then I'm taking the gingerbread pick and placing it in the center. So that's kind of a fun way, especially if you're decorating with gingerbreads this year. It looks really sweet and you can see the wall vase, but if you've been following my channel for very long, you know that I love to add big bows to my wreaths and arrangements and just about anything I make. So here I'm tying a big bow, so you're going to want to let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, go back to your other side, make another loop, try to make your loops the same size each time, back to the other side, one more loop, then let out a tail, and then I'm going to wrap a piece of 20 gauge floral wire around the center of my bow. And it was a little tricky to get my bow in the arrangement, but I made it, but it really covers up the wall vase. So you'll have to let me know if I should leave the bow off, and if you like it with the candy and gingerbread pick better, or if you just like it with the poinsettias and the berries better. So let me know in the comment section. And here I am just dovetailing the ends of my bow. Then I am going to fluff and shape my loops. And this is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and I ordered it online from Craft Outlet. So I like to stick my hand in each loop just to open it up, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire. So there's my bow, and like I said, I like to make big bows, and it almost covers up the entire wall vase. I made a loop with some wire and used one of these greening pins to stick the bow into the arrangement. And like I said, it almost covers up the wall vase, so I'm really not sure if I like it with the bow or not. And then for a little bit more fullness and texture, I added in some more of these Walmart berry picks. This is the first time that I have ever found the wall vases at Dollar Tree, so this is my first DIY using the wall vase, and I think it turned out really cute. You'll have to let me know if your Dollar Tree carries the wall vases or not. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Oh, can't talk, as a subscriber. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.